The bark obtained from the white willow tree has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for the treatment of fever and also for relieving pain. It contains an active ingredient known as salicin, and this is converted into salicylic acid in the body. It has several benefits that have been proven. Due to its rich blend of antioxidants and organic compounds, the willow bark functions as a powerful analgesic agent. For thousands of years, it's traditionally been used to relieve pain from injuries and illness. In fact, it's been used more than 2,500 years ago, and there's even records of it being used by the Egyptians. Inflammation takes on many different forms in the body. If you're looking to eliminate the inflammation in your respiratory tract, gastrointestinal system, or joints, the willow bark can quickly soothe your symptoms. The white willow contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and this helps to reduce the risk of cancer. Since it acts as an antioxidant, it has a proven benefit to protect against viruses and bacteria, and it also strengthens the immune system. The high tannin content helps to soothe the stomach and prevent gastrointestinal distress during periods of illness or a weakened immune system. If you suffer from chronic headaches and migraines, you might benefit from using the pain-relieving qualities of the willow bark. It can help to eliminate migraines by lowering the blood pressure in the small capillaries and blood vessels in the head, easing the pressure and relieving the painful, debilitating symptoms. It can also be used as a preventative method for regular headaches. Toothache can be very annoying, hence you need to find the right treatment and prevention. Gargling the white willow bark tea before going to sleep can help to relieve the pain from a toothache. The anti-inflammatory properties of the willow bark are beneficial for reducing fevers. Fevers are a symptom of an infection in the body, but reducing a fever or breaking it is important to speed up the healing process. For many women who suffer from abnormally heavy periods or severe menstrual symptoms, taking a small glass of willow bark can do wonders for everything from the period pain and cramping to the mood swings and the unnecessary stress hormones in the body. Many people turn to willow bark to boost weight loss efforts because the herb combines well with other fat-burning and metabolism-boosting substances. It can strengthen the effect of these herbs in a healthy way, thus increasing their efficacy and improving your results even further. The salicin in the willow bark can help to relieve back pain. The high content of antioxidants in the willow bark have a major impact on the health of the skin. Whether applied topically or consumed, the willow bark helps to increase blood flow to the skin due to its antioxidants, and this reduces the appearance of wrinkles and age marks. Additionally, it can eliminate inflammation in the skin and ease the pain of insect bites and irritation. If you consume white willow, it can help to reduce your risk of internal clotting, which is related with heart disease, including strokes and heart attacks. To maintain a healthy digestive system, you should consume foods that are rich in fiber, like fruits and vegetables. The willow contains a good amount of tannins, and this can be valuable to calm the stomach and prevent gastrointestinal distress. The salicylic acid in the willow can be great for removing warts. It helps to eliminate the warts without causing pain. Psoriasis is a skin disorder, and it's caused when the skin cells multiply 10 times faster than normal. The disease often occurs on certain body parts, such as the knees, elbows, and the scalp. The symptoms are various, including the presence of red skin plaque and plaque scales and crust on the scalp. As a result, one of the natural treatments for this disorder is to have white willow as an option. You can make a mixture of the white willow with oak and walnut leaves, then pour boiling water over it. After that, drink it 3 times per day to speed up the healing process. The salicin and phenolic glycosides help to relieve sciatic pain. These can give you the anti-inflammatory and analgesic benefits. People with sciatica ought to take willow bark, having 120 to 240 milligrams of salicin content every day for several weeks. White willow can be used as a natural exfoliant. It can help remove dead skin cells, help with skin rejuvenation, and help to treat acne. The white willow can help to reduce wrinkles and age marks, as well as relieving skin irritations. The antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic effects in the willow can aid in improving kidney function and help treat kidney failure and ease pain. Furthermore, its immune-boosting effects make the kidneys function better. Hippocrates, Galen, and Pliny the Elder knew that the willow bark could ease aches and pains and reduce fevers. Its tonic and astringent properties are very useful for recovery from acute disease, for treating worms, chronic dysentery, and diarrhea. An infusion of the leaves has a calming effect, and it can be helpful for the treatment of nervous insomnia. It's suggested for arthritis and bursitis. It can be beneficial for healing mouth ulcers and sores. It's effective when applied to cuts, wounds, and burns. The antiviral and antibacterial properties of the herb help to combat infectious diseases. It helps to lower the body's temperature in fever. It's an excellent herb for neuralgia, cardiovascular disorders, and carpal tunnel syndrome. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's used for arthritis, bursitis, frozen shoulder, difficult menstruation, kidney disease, bunions, and obesity. The inner bark is consumed raw or cooked. It can be dried, ground into a powder, and added to a cereal, and then used for making bread. It was used as a famine food when all else fails. The leaves and the young shoots are consumed raw or cooked. The leaves were used as a tea substitute. The willow bark can be purchased in many stores, and almost all health food stores have it in powdered or capsule form. A recommended dose for pain relief is 240 milligrams per day. The active ingredient in the willow bark is salicin, but the accompanying flavonoids and phytochemicals might be what make the willow bark so effective. So for this reason, people should chew on the unprocessed bark. It should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It shouldn't be used in children unless you consult a doctor. The willow bark might reduce the blood flow to the kidneys, and this can result in kidney failure in some people. If you suffer from kidney disease, you should avoid using the herb. The willow bark can increase the chance of bleeding in people who have a bleeding disorder. People who are sensitive to aspirin should also avoid it. You should avoid it within 2 weeks of surgery also. To book a consultation or to learn about herbs, supplements, and natural treatments, check out my website.